In this video, we'll show you the complete rundown of how to install the 1.5 metre S4 ARGS anchor. Unpacking the gear, you'll find the drive rod. The S4 drive rods have a tapered end to slot into the anchors. The other end fits into the jackhammer and is the same fitting across the S2, S4 and S6 range of anchors. You have the tensioning kit supplied by Cirtex. Inside you'll find the tensioner, the wire cutters, then you have an electric hammer. This generally will be supplied by Cirtex. Each S4 Platipus ARGS anchor comes with a 1.5 metre long wire tendon, a load plate and a wedge grip. We also recommend using ground staples, spray paint, a tape measure and of course safety equipment such as gloves, a hard hat, earmuffs and eyewear. We'll now run through the installation procedure. Please note, for the purpose of this film, we are anchoring onto a flat surface as opposed to a steep slope. With the Cirtex matting already in place, we recommend tensioning any loose areas with ground staples. Measure out and mark at the specified intervals where each anchor will go, remembering they should be staggered in an offset diamond-shaped pattern, not a square. Cutting a small slit into each marker point will help the anchor to easily pierce through the matting. The rod should easily slip into the electric hammer. Make sure it's locked in place. Set it to the hammer only function, not drill. When inserting the anchor, look for the end with the hole. Slip it over the end of the drive rod, then pull the wire tendon towards you, keeping hold of it in one hand. Place the anchor into the cut you made in the matting. Angle the electric hammer at the appropriate angle, making sure you keep the wire tendon in hand. Once you're in position, drive the anchor into the slope using the electric hammer to the specified depth. Make sure you leave at least 150 mils of wire tendon above the ground. Then simply pull the drive rod out using the electric hammer. Carefully remove the plastic cap from the end of the tendon, making sure not to unwind the wire thread. Remember to keep this cap. Next, place the load plate over the exposed tendon, making sure the concave section is facing up. The wedge grips are spring-loaded, so it's a good idea to loosen them by pressing the end in with your thumb. Carefully slip the wedge grip over the tendon, slowly rotating it anti-clockwise as you fit it and secure it inside the plate. Make sure you feel it lock in place. Position the tensioning tool over the load plate, aligning it with the wedge grip and tendon. Then simply slip the wire tendon into the tensioning tool, making sure it's gripped tight. With feet either side, tension the tendon until you can feel it pull no further. Depending on the soil type, you can expect the tendon to extend approximately 250 to 350 mils before it becomes hand tight. Should this exceed approximately 350 mils and not appear to properly tighten, contact your local Cirtex representative for advice. As a quick test, you should be unable to lift the sides of the plate. Cut off any excess tendon using the wire cutters. Continue installing each anchor in this offset formation. As best practice, we recommend replacing the plastic cap you kept from before.